Hello everyone, my name is Filipe. I'm from Portugal. I own two separate companies related to the granite countertop business. In Portugal, we have the factory that produces the countertops, and in France, we distribute with templating and installation teams. So I met Alex Ramirez, and at the time we were implementing Lean, 2-second Lean in the company successfully for some time, for a couple of years. But we were still struggling with implementing Lean with our installation teams on the field. And one day Alex was actually in France, and I invited him to come and see our operation in France with the installation teams. And it was very helpful because I shared my struggles, and Alex already implemented 2-second Lean at Valorec and been helping many other companies. So he gave me some guidelines that we implemented successfully. And one of the things we started doing was this weekly meeting with the installation teams, with the templators and installation teams, and going through struggles of the previous week and brainstorming ideas to solve problems and reviewing the most recent experiments and updates and to see what's working, what's not working. So it proved to be very helpful for us stabilizing the operations in France. And Alex is a great guy. He's a very good human being. That's number one. That's what sets him apart, his heart. And the second thing, is very knowledgeable about Lean. He has a deep knowledge, and yeah, he's a great guy to work with. So yeah, I could not support Alex Ramirez more because he's really a great guy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.